Imagine being able to create incredibly realistic photographs without a camera or professional equipment. In this video, I'll show you how to use artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, Leonardo.ai, and Krea.ai to generate images that look like they were taken with a real camera. Stay until the end because I'll reveal a trick that can make your images even more powerful. If you've ever tried generating images with AI, you know how hard it is to get the right combination of details, lighting, and realism. But with this method, today I'll show you how to create perfect images step by step. From crafting the perfect description in ChatGPT, generating the image in Leonardo.ai, to final refinements in Krea.ai. The first step is to create an ultra-detailed image description. ChatGPT can assist by generating a precise prompt that Leonardo.ai will understand. For example, if we want an image of a modern living room, we can ask ChatGPT to write a description with all the necessary details. Now that we have a detailed prompt, let's head over to Leonardo.ai to generate the image. The great thing is that it's completely free. Every day, you get 150 credits that you can use to generate images. For the model, I'll be using FluxDev because it's excellent for creating detailed and realistic photos. Copy the prompt, paste it into the generator, and watch as the AI creates an incredibly realistic photograph. What do you think? I'd say it's really good. Once you download the image you like the most, we move on to the final step, enhancing the image to make it look even more realistic. We'll use Krea.ai to upscale the resolution. Now we need to select the Click Here to Upload option and choose the photo we previously downloaded. Refine the details and apply the final touches. We select the 8x option and then click on Enhance. If you want even more realistic images, experiment with prompts in ChatGPT and use the negative prompt option in Leonardo.ai to eliminate unrealistic elements. And there you have it. With just 3 simple tools, ChatGPT, Leonardo.ai, and Krea.ai, you can create incredibly realistic images that look like professional photographs. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe because more AI tricks are coming soon to make your life easier.